my name is Emily. The channel is One at a Time. Today we are out in the potato fields and I'm going to show you how we harvest potatoes on the farm. These are called crossovers and they pick up 4 rows of potatoes from the ground each and they dump them between 2 rows that have not been dug up. The combine comes and picks up 4 rows from the ground, and then the 8 rows that the crossovers have dropped. One truck is full and the next one pulls underneath the combine to be loaded with potatoes. Once a truck is full, it comes to the cellar and it waits its turn to unload onto the belts to put the potatoes in the cellar. The 10-wheeler backs up to the stinger as directed, and then the stinger's raised so that the potatoes aren't bruised as they're unloaded. He'll hook up the power to the truck and turn on belts. He opens the door, and then the potatoes can be unloaded from the truck. Here you can see on the left where the trucks are being unloaded. The red equipment is the sorting table. When they leave the sorting table, they move into the cellar on these yellow belts. When they're in the cellar, they're stored at a constant temperature and humidity. The tubes are for airflow and humidity to the bottom of the pile. That's it. That's how we harvest the Idaho potato on the farm. Potatoes will stay in the cellar until we sell them. Then we'll take them out and we'll ship them to a supermarket near you. Till next time, everyone, eat more potatoes.